I don't know if y'all ready for this. Y'all ready for Bam Bam? Y'all ready for Bam Bam up in this hoe? Hometown, Thailand. Hey, man, you littering. This is cute. Okay. You look good. Looks like it's back in the day. Hey, you trying to rizz up home? Oh, whoa, what the wave? Oh! They're about to kiss! What the fuck? He went to the back rooms. Where is he? Yeah, he looked good. What the hell? He just teleported. You got a flip phone too, yeah. Hey, he doing everything for you, girl. Ooh. Wait, the dancers are hidden though. Got me wondering. Got me. Oh, this is cute. What the? Hey! Oh shit! Oh, he in there. Oh shit! How long? It was a dream, bitch. Hold up, can I see that one more time? My boy was in there. Bitch! That's a kiss. That ain't no damn K-drama little kiss. That was a... No, I'm not gonna do it. I love that. Oh, he got naked? Or he lost his shirt? Oh. Huh? Oh. Who's farting? Don't be farting during this time. Huh? Hey! Nah, he's not. Listen, he had practice. He definitely had practice. Them kisses that. Nah, I see you, Bam Bam. Nah, he definitely had some practice. He definitely had some. Them kisses be different. That's some falling in love kisses. Hold up, give me that. I mean, not what? Huh? I'm not asking him to give me that. Okay. Look at this shit. Okay. Damn. Damn. Damn, give me a kiss too. Why not? The whole smile just giving kiss. I'm wondering where my kiss at. Holy shit, Bam Bam. What the fuck?
Hey, you better subscribe.
Yo, be sure to join Patreon. You can become a free member or subscribe for adults to access more content. Check out my reaction to K-pop Demon Hunters. We reacted to Squid Game Season 3. We're checking out a bunch of animes. We also upload first listens here, some exclusive reactions to K-pop comebacks. You already know I reacted to EXO Kitty, and I know Season 3 is coming up soon. So be sure to click the link for my Patreon and become a member now. If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on JREKML. I'm there every day.